So this is the Gosilub 2K window camera. And this is it right here. It's a small little camera, but does so much. One of the things I love about it is, well, the app and the connectivity. It just works flawlessly. It's so easy to set up and connect to it. This also has a microSD card slot, so you can add internal storage, so you can save things and record it right to there. It has a little speaker on it, so you can have two-way communication. So from the app, you can talk to whoever's on the other end and they can talk back because there's a microphone on here. And that 2K resolution actually looks really good. Now, the other thing that I love about it, well, you get a nice long cable, so you can move this out into your window. It does come with little cable management hooks that are adhesive. You get 4 of those, that way you can make it nice and tidy. And then I love this. They use magnets here. So you have like adhesive stickers that go on your window and it goes on magnetically. So you can take this off and on. They give you 3 of them. One's like this little circle too, so it looks really cool. And if you get any glare, they have this black circle. This black like circle goes around it that helps with that glare. But this is the quality. It looks great. The app's amazing. You can do a lot with it and I love it. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.